Hi everyone, thanks for joining us on the Liverpool stand. That's a pleasure to have you understand always the challenges we have been facing this year. You will see it has been a very busy year. All our partners are on stand, so if you have any question at the end of the video, please do not hesitate. We are here to answer you. And yeah, please enjoy the video and let's see.
Liverpool City Council is at the forefront of highway innovation, committed to turning our city into a thriving, sustainable community. A key initiative, Live Labs 2, seeks to test and implement smart highway technologies and focus on reducing carbon emissions, enhancing air quality, alleviating congestion and fostering more sustainable neighbourhoods.
Welcome to Liverpool, a city that is taking bold steps to transform its highways into green and clean spaces that benefit the ecosystem. ADEPT Live Labs 2, Decarbonising Local Roads, is a 3-year UK-wide £30 million programme funded by the Department for Transport that aims to decarbonise Liverpool's local highway network. The city's initiatives are centred around several key objectives, such as low-carbon materials, smart infrastructure and many others. Liverpool Live Lab includes a nexus of innovation and sustainability in urban development. This transformative journey is propelled by policy mandates, technical innovations, and principles of sustainability. In our recent endeavours, we have made substantial progress in reducing the carbon footprint of our highway maintenance operations, thereby elevating the living standards for our people and communities. At the heart of this transformation is Programme Mandate, which guides our prioritisation and decision-making. It involves a thorough assessment of network needs, followed by securing funding. Imagine a toolkit that can help reduce carbon emissions from highway maintenance while improving efficiency, quality and transparency. An approach that can simplify data collection and analysis and provide optimal solutions. This is what we call the Carbon Hierarchy Lens, a toolkit that can align with the Highway Asset Management Plan and support Liverpool's decarbonisation goals. At the heart of this toolkit is the Pell-Frischmann configurator. The configurator has 3 main components: the user interface, where you can input information about your scheme, the option engine, which is also the brain of the tool, that uses advanced algorithms to generate the best options for a scheme, and the data repository, where all the data is stored and updated, ensuring consistency, accuracy and reliability.
Hi, I'm Shoref Carmarker. I'm a consultant at Pell-Frischmann and I'm leading the development of the Pell-Frischmann Live Labs Carbon Configurator app. Over the past year, we've made considerable progress. We've successfully built and tested the first iteration of the tool. We've also been able to apply its principles on live projects with Liverpool City Council, COLAS and our other project partners. Now, to give you a rough idea of what the tool is actually meant for, it's essentially there to help Liverpool City Council consider the carbon and cost implications of different design options over a long period of time. Now, as you can imagine, to develop such a tool, it's not quite a linear process. So over the year, we have come across a number of different obstacles. Our approach to these obstacles has been we apply the same method and develop new solutions to solve the problems. So to give you an example of how that works, we would essentially approach a problem with a solution, we would apply it, see if it worked, if it didn't, try and find out why it didn't work, then repeat with a new solution, test that until we got there. Now of course with things like AI it's been able to speed things up a bit more, but going forward I'm looking forward to working with Liverpool City Council and our other project partners, seeing what we achieve next.
While the optioneering tool has been in development, the team have been actively conducting manual options analysis on key projects in the delivery pipeline. This approach has helped validate the process and build knowledge on how these methods can be applied to highway maintenance scenarios, particularly for small to medium-sized schemes. One such high-profile project is Princess Drive, set for delivery in April 2025. Princess Drive presents a unique test case as there is an opportunity to explore different solutions for different sections of the road, one made of concrete and the other more flexible asphalt. Our initial analysis identified feasible options to reduce carbon by 18%, but we are still actively trying to explore stretch solutions, including ex situ cold recycled material, the highest recycled content to reduce this even more. We've learnt a lot so far. This intermediate optioneering phase demonstrated very clearly that moving forwards into the implementation phase of the tool is key to the scalability of carbon optioneering in this context, in terms of timescale and integration of multiple elements. Accordingly, all of the manual optioneering outputs are now currently being processed through the tool as a further testing and validation step. A vital part of the process has also been the validation of optioneering outputs through the rigorous carbon baselining and calibration of the calculated options using the FHRG Carbon Analyzer tool and the support of partners improving services.
Hi, I'm Kira Jeffries from COAS and I'm the Carbon Analyst of the Liverpool Live Lab. I calculate the carbon emissions produced by Liverpool's highways improvement schemes using the FHRG Carbon Analyzer tool and analyse the carbon savings achieved by adopting more sustainable materials, fuels and processes. I'm also working on carbon baselining with our partners in Aberdeen. So far, we've analysed a wide range of innovations across at least 8 different schemes, with potential carbon savings of up to 80% for certain solutions. Whilst gathering data and obtaining accurate carbon factors for specific products has been something of a challenge, communicating with our project partners and following standardised processes for data collection has helped to improve the effectiveness of the carbon analysis process. And I'm looking forward to further supporting Liverpool on its journey to net zero.
Our experiences show that the biggest interventions require the most time and effort to implement, but in the meantime, we have been progressing other optioneering avenues beyond simply the pavement materials. Now we'll take you through a range of innovative low-carbon solutions that we've implemented or are planning to implement to enhance road safety, reduce environmental impact and improve the quality of our highways, all based on the output of optioneering at scheme level. First, we introduced cold-applied MMA, a durable and flexible material used for road markings on Pinehurst Avenue. This solution not only enhances visibility and longevity, but also minimises the carbon footprint compared to traditional methods, with approximately 89% of carbon saving. Next, at Everton Park, we replaced conventional street light with Luminachrom photoluminescent road markings, which allowed us to save 97% of carbon. These innovative markings absorb sunlight during the day and emit a soft glow at night, improving safety and visibility while eliminating further energy consumption. To combat flooding without incurring the carbon footprint of significant drainage upgrade works, we utilise Keercrete on Upper Pitt Street. This permeable solution allows rainwater to drain naturally into the ground, significantly reducing surface water runoff and the risk of flooding. This approach is considered more as long-term, as we expect the carbon savings to be around 40% in the next 40 years. On Millersdale Road, we've adopted Evertherm, a warm mix asphalt solution. This environmentally friendly alternative to conventional asphalt lowers carbon emissions by 20% on this scheme, but it also results in a more sustainable road surface that will last longer than conventional asphalt. On Belvedere Road, we just installed Flowwell LED panels at a zebra crossing. This enhances pedestrian safety by making the crossing more visible, especially during low light conditions, ensuring that both pedestrians and drivers are more aware of each other. With a thermal camera, we will also manage the lighting of the street by turning the light on only when pedestrians are about to cross. At Booker Avenue, we implemented 2 20-mile-per-hour speed limit signs near a school using Flowwell technology. These signs promote safe driving in a critical area, protecting children as they travel to and from school. Other demonstrator activities remain in progress as we speak. Our commitment to low-carbon solutions continues with Halo from Heighton Asphalt on Alderwood Avenue. This solution is a low-temperature basin binder containing recycled materials, revolutionising the surfacing industry by creating a carbon-friendly product that offers exceptional performance and laying times compared to conventional asphalts. We are observing an 8% carbon saving on this scheme. At Alderfield Drive, we're utilising low-carbon plant and equipment, including Instagrid, an electric generator. This reduces emissions on site by 29.5 kg CO2 per day, whilst maintaining efficient operations during our projects. As a direct result of the Live Labs programme, conversations around low carbon materials have gained momentum within Liverpool's highway team. These discussions have led to parallel trials with the city's contractors, introducing innovative solutions to reduce carbon emissions and enhance road durability. Some of these pioneering trials include Halo Bio at Blackburn Place, a single-layer asphalt incorporating 21% of recycled material, cutting carbon emissions by 48%. Craft Lingen at Glenville Close, a bio-based bitumen alternative reducing reliance on fossil fuels in road servicing. And Mile Pave at Eastern Avenue, a high recycled content asphalt designed to extend road life while minimising environmental impact. This map gives you a rough idea of all the exciting things happening around the city. To engage with the community in a more visible way than highway scheme delivery generally allows, we're excited to announce our unique public art installation that will use one of our innovative materials to convey its message. The striking artwork created by the esteemed artist collective Reskate uses Luminochrome, a photoluminescent paint that we have used in Everton Park. Absorbing natural or artificial light, the paint glows in the dark for 10 hours without any power supply or CO2 emissions, meaning the artwork undergoes a dynamic transformation from day to night and provides a compelling demonstration of the paint's capabilities. The mural represents the poetic connection between the arts, nature, and innovation on the path to a more hopeful and sustainable future. Reskate Art Collective aims to foster awareness, engagement, and proactive involvement in environmental stewardship through this installation. We hope that when you are here in Liverpool, you will go and visit it, where you can find it in Liverpool 1 on the corner of Hanover Street. Beyond products and operational processes, our ecosystem also includes enablers around council policies, standards and procurement processes, key to allowing new approaches and ways of working to become business as usual in a local context. Bird & Bird have been working with Liverpool to develop a procurement toolkit with specific focus on mechanisms to embed low-carbon solutions and approaches. By considering climate and carbon reduction into all aspects of contracting, the toolkit is applicable to whole procurement lifecycle and has been designed to highlight some of the major themes for sustainable procurement. In Year 3, this will be extended to explore the role of circular recycling supply chains within the local Liverpool ecosystem.
Hello, my name's Callum Stewart. I'm a technical officer for Aberdeen City Council. My role in this project is to support Phil Edgley and how the Live Labs project fits into the wider net zero strategy within Aberdeen City Council. So one of the key things that I'm focusing on just now is understanding how our depots can reduce their carbon emissions.
My name is Phil Edgley, engineer on the Liverpool Live Labs project for Aberdeen City Council. I'm out here at one of our trial sites on North Deeside Road in Aberdeen. On the westbound carriageway, we've got traditional hot rolled asphalt, and on the eastbound carriageway, we've got our new trial warm SMA that we're trialling out. So it's a hybrid road construction that we're trialling here, and it's being monitored as part of the Liverpool Live Labs project.
Hi, I am Professor Hassan Al-Najim. I am working at Liverpool John Moores University as a Professor of Structural Engineering. Myself and my research team joined Live Lab 2 on a project aiming at minimizing CO2 emission from road pavement construction by using a new low heat asphalt mixture. Our project falls into 2 parts. Part 1 is a laboratory work for providing the mechanical and durability properties of our new cold mix asphalt technology compared with the properties of the traditional hot mix asphalt. In part 2, we are covering the monitoring of the performance of different trials section on a real low traffic pavement under real environmental and traffic loading conditions. So far, the project is running according to the plan of work. Thank you for listening and best wishes for a very nice day.
Hi, my name is Krishna and I'm from Colas. I'm representing the co-project team in the Liverpool Live Lab today. Our team includes Pam McGuiness, the program lead at Liverpool City Council. We remain on track to deliver all of our Live Lab outputs, including the expert panel, which is fully operational, and our innovation matrix, which is continuously updated and validated in collaboration with our academic partners. Across the city, we have identified multiple demonstrators at different stages of project maturity, with a strong selection on show today. Our work is gaining momentum nationwide, with Aberdeen, Newcastle, Surrey, and Oxfordshire councils now looking to Liverpool, testing our optioneering tool, procurement toolkit, the carbon baseline approach, and innovative materials to scale up our impact. We were also nominated for the LCRAE Collaborative Partnership Award in 2024. Members of our team also recently presented at the Interchange Conference in Manchester, sharing key insights and progress with the industry leaders. And now looking ahead, we're developing a highway materials recycling demonstrator, integrating high percentage of recycled materials into the carriageway repairs. This will go on site in the summer of 2025 alongside many other exciting innovations. For a closer look at our innovations, please stop by our stands to explore the whole life carbon optioneering tool developed with Pell-Frischmann colleagues and the procurement toolkit designed in partnership with the Bird & Bird legal experts. Last year, we were just getting started, and now we've come a long way. Come find us on our stand and we would love to talk.
I hope this video showcases our vision and provides an insight into our configurator tool. Together, we can build a brighter, more sustainable future for Liverpool.
Thanks all for listening. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free if you have any question. We have our partner from Pell-Frischmann, Bird & Bird, LGMU, even Aberdeen. So if you have any question about like any solutions or any toolkits, any tool that we are using, like any process, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.